Tang ngin lệch bit ni clan sungan po Assam sha Laitlum pat say hi.
Hi.
Tell your name.
My name is Ruprekha and I'm from Assam and this is my solo trip to Meghalaya. And please follow local Meghalaya guide. He is very helpful and will take you to all the unexplored spots. And every year it is in the month of November.
Pardon?
And every year it is in the month of November.
Yeah, it's in the month of November. Maybe on first week, sometimes it's in the second week, like that. Shayo, shayo mo.
Shayo, shayo.
Shayo.
Yes.
On take photo.
Oh, let's have.
You want to comment? Any comment for country trip? About this dress?
Yes.
The traditional dress? Nice, you know?
Very beautiful place.
Very beautiful dress. Our ancestor has already practiced this from the ancient time. Not only by we got this festival from our ancestors.
कमान खाना आ रहा है
Mentapan lapoy ni Laitlum bat kini gidi turis kiba internet ya ka dara kasi gilai persyang ni rengkat bat ka jingshat ya ka jingroi pahit ba tihiu from there if you want to go to Shillong by foot only they will go from there till there till that parking area.
Yeah, that is the church.
Church.
The service is going on.
This is the church, Presbyterian Church, Christian. Me also, I know how to sing that song.
He can try.
But I'll not sing now.
Oh, this is something, no?
Ropeway they call.
Subway,
Yeah, they for carrying goods.
They use this roadway for carrying broomstick, food items, for what product?
They're sending it here till
Till
the other
village.
Okay.
Look, my friend, she is very bravery woman. Alone, but she came to Meghalaya without afraid any.
No, is that?
Very tough.
It depends.
Even I was afraid, but I feel like I love exploring new places. Okay. And I cannot depend on people, right? Neither my mom, dad, friends, or brother.
It depends on your mentality. If you are negative, obviously you will be afraid.
Then I started doing it by myself only.
Yes.
And rating was also good.
Is how is the taste?
It was good.
Ang simpat ako ay taxi banlit siya. Slow-pick. Another taxi we take. We're going to Slow-pick.
Shillong Peak.
Slow-pick. How it is?
Very beautiful than I expected. Hi all. My name is Rupreka.
And then this is your first time.
This is my first trip to Meghalaya. My first solo trip to Meghalaya. And I took help from Meghalaya local guides. Okay, they are the guides who have helped me to explore the Meghalaya. Okay, so my experience was very good. The first day we have seen the Khasi culture, okay, where they did Nongkrem dance.
Nongkrem,
right? Nongkrem dance.
Nongkrem dance.
Yeah, and in the second day we have covered Nongkrem sunrise, Nongkrem sunrise view. Then we have been to Varasi waterfall, and there was another place.
Songhang Kanyang.
Songhang Kanyang, yeah. And in the third day we have covered, I think, Laitlum we have covered, and Shillong Peak we have covered. So it was very good experience with them. I would say that they have helped me to see certain unexplored places of Meghalaya, which I think I believe all of you should be exploring or visiting. So yeah, overall it was a very good experience with them.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. And then one thing is we want to give feedback for you. You are very polite people, and then bravery woman also at the same time. You come here solo trips. This is my first time to get clients like you, women with alone only. You come in Meghalaya.
Yeah.
So many women they come here. They go along with me, but not alone. They come along with partners, with their friends. So thank you for your trusting us, me and Master Palim. So
Yeah.
he has a power and so. He's good driver.
He's
or?
a good driver, yeah.
Good driver. So if you want to visit Meghalaya, remember us. If you want to visit again, okay, and then help us also. If you have friends who want to visit Meghalaya, just inform them. I have a friend. So from now onward, you and us will be a friend. So you ask, I have friend in Meghalaya who do business like local guide to help the tourists from other outsiders. You know the hidden gems.
Yes, hidden gems. Yeah.
I think that's only for you. Have a safe journey, and then God bless you.
Thank you.
Like that only. Thank you very much for your visiting in our beloved state. So please visit again. Okay,
Yes,
thank you. And
definitely.
then for the subscriber and viewer, please do share, like, and subscribe our channel. And then follow her in Instagram page. Your Instagram is Rupreka.
Yes.
Rupreka. You are from
Assam.
Asal.
Assam. Yeah. He's very friendly. She is very friendly people. Thank you.
Thank you.
And he's Kapal, and so he'll conclude this video.
I will conclude with a laugh. Bye bye.
Call
I'm busy driving.
Call him Pau and so, and he's good driver in Meghalaya. 12 year experience. He know how to ride a passenger boat.